Mm, Hello guys and welcome back to our part 2 of our video. Here we will see that how the process will happen for 204, that is multiple carrier load transfer. Next is 990 carrier response handling. Next is 214, that is shipment status tracking. Automatic vendor bill creation to 110 and 820, that is payment processing. After the configuration of the system, we will see how they will work and how the process will follow. So first of all, we will creating a sales order. We will export it to multiple carriers that are there in our system. So for that, we have already synced to system in the previous video that I showed you. Now we will create a sales order over here. While creating the sales order, we will add the name of the customer over here and we will add some of the products. So after adding the products, the products have been added. We will confirm the particular sales order. Delivery order gets created. At delivery order level, you will see an button to export 204. Once you see this button, which means that this particular delivery order is ready to export, we will export into the path that is synced over here. So this is our path of export, which we have mentioned over here, that export 204 file path. Whenever the export will be done successfully, it will be stored in this particular file path. So here we will click on the export. After clicking over there, we will get this dialog box appearing. So as I told you, this is the multiple carrier assignment. So here we will get the multiple carriers that we have configured in our system. We have configured two of them right now. We will select both of them and see which of them are accepting or rejecting our particular say the shipment or say the sale order. So we will send it to both of them. So it is sent to them successfully. As you can see that it has been successfully exported to both of the systems, that standard delivery and the postage. Both of them have got our file and they have been successfully exported. Here you can check the file as well, which is exported from over here. After that, to check it again, we have log details over here as well, where you will get the log. Here the successful log has also been seen, so it is successfully exported. So first step for us is done. Now next step is carrier response handling. So we will check now if the carriers are responding to our particular order or not. Before that, we will also go and check over here that related FTP configuration will have both the systems allocated over here, because we have done it for both the systems. We have exported in both the systems, so both of systems are configured over here. Now the carrier response will be appearing over here once we will run the cron job for the same. So for that, we have go to the system, go to the cron job, and here is the cron job that we have for carrier response. So here, as we click on that, we will run it manually right now. So the response will be visible to us. We have run manually this particular cron job for local system. Now we have another system configured for, say suppose this one. We will run cron job from them as well to check if they are accepting our particular delivery order or not. So we have run manually for them. Now we will go to the logs. As we went to logs, and we will check both the import of the process. It is done successfully, as I can see that it has responded through the FTP local system and they have accepted standard delivery. Now next is, say suppose this one. Now as you can see that they have rejected, the local system 2 has rejected and 1 has accepted. So this is very common scenario. That's why you are using multiple things to check who are accepting and who are rejecting. Let's refresh the order over here. You will get response from both of them. As you can see, you have given the response from standard delivery that is accepted and another one has rejected. So now both of the response will be seen to you over here as well. So response will be seen something like this. So one is accepted and one is rejected. Now what we will do is we will use the carrier of the one who has accepted, which is a but natural thing. So we will use the carrier from them, and after we use this carrier, the particular carrier will be assigned to us over here. That is this. That is over here. That is standard delivery. So that is the next step. Now after that, we will see how the shipment status tracking will be updated over here. That is 214. Once that will be updated, we will see the tracking reference that will be fetched over here. So again, we will go to the cron job over here and we will run the cron for 214, that is this one. So let's run it manually. Currently we are running all the cron jobs manually to show you this process right now. Otherwise you can set it to execution as per your requirements. Currently we set up for every 12 hours, but you can do it as per your requirements. So we have done cron job for the same, and now we will check it further. Now for checking it further, first of all we will go and check the logs. So let's go to the logs and check the same. So this is the picking status response. So here, as you can see that 214 area shipment status is imported successfully, and standard delivery responded with delivered. So it is particular shipment might be delivered now. So here, as you go to the carrier is shipment tracking system over here and refresh our page, you will see that in the delivery order, the shipment has been tracked successfully and it is marked as delivered. So here, as you go to the shipment, it shows you delivered, and after you see it, the status is delivered, you can check it over here as well. And the other thing, that this particular delivery order will be into the done state once the delivery is done successfully. The status can be set up as per the requirements of the system, that is, it can be arrival or ready to delivery or out for delivery. Anything can be set up over here. Currently, to show you in the video, we have marked the status as delivered to show you that this will be in the done state after it is delivered. And here the tracking reference will be fetched like this. So that is how we will see that the particular delivery is done successfully. The carrier response we have seen, shipment tracking we have seen, and related shipper FTP connection all we have seen over here in this particular delivery order. Now say suppose the particular shipment is delivered successfully. Now the vendor is now looking to create the particular bill. So we have an automation for that as well. For that we will go to our FTP syncing. Here we will go to the cron again, and here we will see import freight vendor bill. So for that we have a cron job that will run manually. Once it is done run manually, we can see the log details over here. Now as we have run it manually, we will check the log details for the same. So the log details will show you that 210 vendor bill is successfully created. This is the bill number for the same. Now let's go to the vendor bill and check the same. So for that we'll go to invoicing vendors and bills. So we will check the bill, which is this one. So 004 is the bill that is created. As you can see, it is a bill that has passed from our backend and it is now successfully created over here. Now whenever the bill is created, they will have a vendor which is assigned in our system. So here whenever we have assigned the standard delivery as a delivery carrier, we have added the EDI partner, which will be our vendor in the bill as well. So this that both details will be same. It will also show you the details of the products that you have added over here, and here there will be a source of this bill. So FTP source for this bill is local system, which we have passed through, and here will be the bill that is successfully been created over here. So it has the bill details over here. So that is how your bill is created. Now next is the payment processing. So after we have received this bill, we will confirm it from over here and we will go to the payment. Here everything details are set up over here. For the bill number, amount is this one. Here we'll create the payment. After the payment is created, here we will have an details to export the payments, which is the last step over here, that is H20. So the particular payment will be exported in the path that has been set up. So here we will click on export payment details, and as you can see, the payment details are successfully exported to FTP configuration of the local system, and this is the payment details which are successfully exported. For that we also have the logs. We can check logs every time whenever any process is running in our system. So export payment is done successfully in our system, and it will be stored into the file path that we have mentioned over here, that is this one. So that is how the details are given in this particular system, which is very easy to use. Now feel free to let us know if you face any issues while you configure it for your system or your store. Our team will be there to help you out. Check both of the videos, part 1 and 2. First is the system configuration, and in this particular video you will see all the steps how to run it. So feel free to let us know if you face any issues while you do it for your store. Our team will be there to help you out. You can write back to us at sales@vraja technologies.com, and we will be there for you. Thank you.